Meaning of downtick.
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 Downtick. A downtick is a term used in finance and investments to describe a decrease in the price or value of a particular security or asset. It occurs when the current trading price of the asset is lower than the previous trading price. Downticks are typically associated with bearish market sentiment and negative investor sentiment. They can also signal a potential trend reversal. Traders and analysts use downticks along with other technical indicators to make informed investment decisions and identify potential buying or selling opportunities.